In this video, we will see about image augmentation technique with which one single image will be transformed into several images. This technique is very much useful in deep learning applications like image classification, text classification, object detection, segmentation, and many more. This technique will perform cropping, flipping, shifting, rotating, zooming, and shear effects on input image to generate more similar images. First of all, we need to import required libraries and functions. From keras.preprocessing.image library, I am importing image data generator, image to array, and load image functions. Next, I am using a variable data generator to assign image data generator function, which consists of different arguments or effects necessary for image augmentation. Here, rotation range is an integer value which tells up to which angle our input image will be rotated. Width shift range and height shift range are float values which tells up to what range input image will be shifted horizontally as well as vertically. And fill mode I am setting to nearest. Then comes the shear range. It is a float value and it tells the range up to which an input image will be distorted along an axis. And zoom range I am setting to 0.2, which is a float value. Lastly, I am setting horizontal flip to a boolean value true, which flips input image like a mirror reflection. Then I am using load image function to load my input image, which is cat, to a variable image. And by using image to array and dshape functions, I am converting the input image dimensions to a numpy array. Then comes the main part of code. The input image stored in the variable x will be augmented for each iteration of this for loop with a batch size 1, and all these augmented or transformed images will be stored in the directory preview with the name cat in JPEG format. Here, break statement is very important to stop the for loop after few iterations instead of running indefinitely. We can see the augmented images in the preview folder which I already created. Now let's run the program and see the result. So it is done. As you can see, these are the augmented images. These are only 6 because I use break statement after only 6 iterations. But it is the user choice to use break statement after any number of iterations. So in this way, image augmentation will be performed.